Alright, this is a board that I've kind of experimenting with, and I'm just going to touch up these pins on this board here. I'm using a DSL camera here, so it's not the greatest thing to use for this type of work, but you can see that's pretty good. So this is the type of stuff I've been working on. Just to give you an idea, here's my thumb. You can see the size of the devices. This is a flat pack IC. Let me just go and check this one here. Put a little flux on this one here. The flux pen works good. Just bought this flux pen. Okay, let's see. It's going. Do some of these. I'm just reflowing the solder on some of these pins. Normally my magnification would be a little bit greater than this, but I can't go in any closer than this. Let me just see if I can go in just a little bit. No. That's as close as I can go, so anyways, then once I'm done, I'll go and take myself a Q-tip, and we'll just clean them up a little bit. Clean the flux off a little bit that I put down. And we should be good to go here. Clean all those connections up real good. So let's see how they seem to look pretty good. Yeah, I'd soldered some of these, but they're too small in this camera, so I can't do it this way. But I use a magnifying glass to do these connections. So just give you some sort of idea what one I'm working with. Okay.